Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of premium audio with the Philips Fidelio L3 over-ear wireless headphones. These headphones aren't just about great sound. They aim for a complete luxury experience. Let's see if they live up to the hype. Right out of the box, the Fidelio L3 exudes sophistication. The combination of sleek, lightweight aluminum, genuine Scottish Muirhead leather, and those dark satin ear cup rings is simply stunning. They feel incredibly premium, and the build quality is top-notch. The memory foam ear cups are incredibly plush, making these some of the most comfortable over-ear headphones I've worn for extended periods. But let's talk about the sound, because that's where these headphones truly shine. Philips boasts over 50 years of acoustic innovation, and it shows. The 40mm drivers deliver a beautifully balanced sound signature. The bass is tight and controlled, never overpowering the other frequencies. The mid-range is smooth and rounded, perfect for vocals and instruments. And the high frequencies? They sparkle with detail, adding a touch of airiness and clarity to the overall sound. Now, these are noise-canceling headphones, and the hybrid ANC system here is impressive. It effectively silences the outside world, creating a tranquil listening environment, whether you're on a noisy commute or trying to focus in a busy office. And if you need to hear what's going on around you, the awareness mode lets you do so with a simple tap. One of the standout features of the Fidelio L3 is its versatility. You can connect via Bluetooth, supporting both AAC and aptX HD for high-quality wireless streaming. But if you're a true audiophile, you'll appreciate the option to connect via a wired connection for even higher fidelity. These headphones are high-res audio certified, so they can handle those high-resolution audio files with ease. The Philips Headphones app adds another layer of customization. You can fine-tune the sound profile to your liking and even adjust the level of noise cancellation. It's a nice touch that gives you more control over your listening experience. And for those who juggle multiple devices, the multi-point connection feature is a game changer. You can connect to two Bluetooth devices simultaneously, so you can seamlessly switch between your phone and laptop, for example. Of course, no product is perfect. While the touch controls are generally responsive, they can be a little finicky at times. And while the battery life is decent, it's not the longest we've seen in this price range. Overall, the Philips Fidelio L3 delivers a premium listening experience. The combination of exquisite design, luxurious comfort, and superb sound quality makes these headphones a true contender in the high-end wireless headphone market. If you're looking for a pair of headphones that sound as good as they look and feel, the Fidelio L3 is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.